Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my hemlock and oak for the week of August 9th. Yeah, that's what it is. And I will be using, according to Allie's, iced coffee, as well as maybe bringing in some of my own transparent stickers. Maybe not those ones, we'll see. And then some washi as well. Really excited about this. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, other than make sure I'm straight here, is put down washi. Now I just got this today. This is from Together with KX, and she is actually a shop here in Edmonton. And just want to, for one, make sure this is straight. That'll do. And I'm just gonna rip and then put this on the other side. And then yeah, she sent along this sample of her washi with an order I just placed with the Made in Canada Planner collaboration sale. There we go. Oh, so pretty. And then I want to layer on top of that this Simply Gilded Wild Oak bow. I'm all about the washi at the moment. I don't know what's come over me. I'm buying a lot of washi right now. I went through this stage as well when yes. Together. Oh my goodness. I went through this similar stage when I was first starting out as a planner, and I am back into it, I guess. Didn't think I would be, but here I am. Whoops, back at the washi. Not sure what happened, but oh, I liked it. I mean, like, yes, love it. Okay, so I think that is it for washi for now. Then I'm gonna add, first I'm gonna date it because I need to. Here we go. Because if I don't date it, then who knows what's going to happen to the week. And it's August 9th. I did it one week where I dated it June, and then I didn't even realize it. So, go figure. Am I still on the screen? Okay, so then now I want to actually put this one, come on, I'm only going to be using, let's see, which one do I want to use? I think I'm going to use a coffee stain here, and then this one. Just need to make sure that I have enough room for everything, because even if I place this here, that'll still leave me with room down at the bottom. So how do I want to do this? Let's see, just checking with the other page here. If I put this down like this, it will still leave me with a bit of room. Okay. But before I go into anything else, I'm going to make sure that this section is done. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom into that. So for my sleep graph, I measure out enough squares so that I can measure from 4 to 9 hours. And then I add Monday through Friday at the bottom. And then I take this really cute, actually before I do that, I also write down the days of the week for my workouts. And then I do brush lettering for sleep and workout. And then I add in this really cute sleep emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then another cute workout emoji from Let's Plan It. Then I go ahead and write in my scheduled workouts for the week. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that side here. So I'm thinking maybe I'll do this, but first coffee here. But then it's gonna go into, you know, I'll make it work. Okay, Then, how do I want to do this? I'm going to draw the line across here, and I'm going to stick to very two basic colors, blue, brown, and brown. But I think it's going to look really, really good. Now, I did test these somewhere, so they are going to look slightly different. I think this one is, no, that one, and then this one. Anyway, it'll look fine once I actually get it down on paper. But I'm just drawing the line across here because I'm finding that by drawing the line across, I am really able to separate the actual schedule from my fitness planner, which is down here. All right, so what I'm going to do now is then plan day to day, and I will speed through this and do a voiceover with this as well. So the way that I plan this, I kind of do one thing all across the week. So I decided to put my own stickers, my work stickers, across the whole week. And then I add very cute but different emojis for each one. So the one on Wednesday is from Be Do & Co. And then I put one from Let's Plan It on Tuesday, one from Paper Bits Co. on Thursday, and the Coffee Monsters Co. on Friday. And then I just draw in the arrows for how long I am working for each day. And then I'm flipping through all of my stickers here to try to figure out what I need to do next, because on Monday, I'm trying to figure out, yes, Monday I have a to-do list of, I do have to meal plan, and I also have to order groceries. And then Tuesday I'm figuring out how to write down my chores, and I got it wrong. Tuesday is supposed to be the day we put out garbages, and Wednesday is mopping the floors. So I had to fix that, and I fixed it with this box from Paper Bits Co. and an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co., which is adorable. And then I properly write down that we have to mop floors on Wednesday. And then I note on Thursday morning that I will be picking up groceries. So then moving on to Friday, trying to figure out the best thing here. So I find out that we do have a puppy training on Thursday night. So I just use some of this wild oat bow washi with a dog paw from the Happy Planner. And then I take this cute emoji to write down that I do have to film on Friday night. And then on Saturday, I take this unicorn with the Starbucks because Robin has horseback riding. And then I take this cute penguin emoji from Green Darner Designs because Robin is turning 10 on Saturday. It's crazy. I take this box from Mimi Rose Co. along with a what emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. because my shop is opening on Saturday. And then I take this weekend script, put that down. It just looks so pretty. And then I add my cleaning list for Sunday. So after Sunday, I actually go into Monday and decide that I'm going to do shop prep all across the week through the top there. I love this desk emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and I just do some brush lettering to write shop prep and then do an arrow all across the week so that I know what I need to do every single day for the shop. There won't be a scheduled time for it, but I will just make sure that those tasks are done throughout the day. And then at the bottom of the spread, this is where I write down S&C for steps and calories, as well as BLD to track my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Is my overall finished spread. It does look quite bare, especially the weekend, because I found that when I filled in the weekend, I've had to white out a lot of stuff. So I'm going to keep it blank for now, and then I will fill in the rest once it is all done. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.